up, Moose Crew? I'm getting married, so we got some wedding gifts to open. So today we are going to be unboxing the Coleman Cascade 3-in-1 propane stove, and then also the propane stove carrying case. This is a pretty much, I think, a universal fit from Bass Pro. So starting off with the Cascade 3-in-1, this is your pretty standard camp stove that takes propane fuel, and it features an auto ignition, which I'm already expecting to go out because I've seen even on really old camp stoves that they typically go out after a long time of use. So you most likely will eventually have to use a lighter in order to ignite that, but that's not that big of a deal to me. It says that it burns at 24,000 BTUs, but on the REI website it says that it burns at about 12,000 thermal units, so I don't know exactly who's right on that. I'm gonna guess the one on the box, but who knows. And it has 2 burners and a maximum burn time of 1 hour, and it includes 2 cast iron griddles. One's ribbed for your steaks and then one's flat for your pancakes in the morning. And I think it says it comes with 2 cast iron pans, or I'm guessing that it might be that it can fit either a 12-inch or a 10-inch cast iron pan, but we'll have to open it up and see what's up in there. And so this comes weighing in at about 15 pounds. Again, it's a stove meant for car camping, not for backpacking, so unless if you're really into super lightweight stoves, this will not be the one for you. The dimensions are 22 by about 13 and about 3.5 inches, a little more than that. But yeah, I'm really excited to crack this open and show you what's inside of it. I assume with the 1 hour burn time, that means one of your standard propane stoves. And then inside here, like I was saying, this is just a universal carrying case for your stove. The dimensions say that it should fit, so I really hope it does. Otherwise, this is gonna be resold on eBay. So let's crack this open and see what we got. So let's start with opening up these boys. And these are the cast iron plates. Yep. Here's the ribbed grill top. I've heard that some people have had issues with their food sticking to these, so I don't know if that's because people aren't seasoning them right with them being cast iron. I know that can be somewhat very difficult for some people, but the nice thing about this set is that it gives you a little carrying bag for the little cast iron skillets, which is, or not the skillets, but the griddle tops. So that's really nice, so they're not just kind of rolling around and scratching everything up in your gear setup or whatnot. So let's place that to the side. And there's this one, which I think these are the actual cooktops, or the part that holds your pots. Gotta love tape and plastic. There you go. Okay. So here's the pot holder. let's crack open this bad boy up. More packaging. Packaging. So that's nice. The wind guards have these little press down clamps so you can slide them in and out to help keep them in place. Then here's your propane regulator tube. It actually has a nice little carrying hole for when you're done and you're packing up all your stuff. You can just easily stow it away. This screws into here. There you go. So it's nice and on there all snug. Okay. So let's just see if she ignites. Okay, I'm hearing the hiss. Okay. Nice. It's a little hard to see the flame with it being so sunny out right now, but definitely hear it. Okay, so good, that burner works. Let's see if the one closest to me works. Awesome. So now that this is all put away, you can store it with the pot holders in there, which is really, really nice, so you don't have to worry about finding a home for them. So you just close it up. It comes with its own little carrying handle. But like I said, my friend had ordered us the universal propane stove carrying tank from Bass Pro, so we're gonna open up this and see if I can fit the stove in there. Like I said, I already checked the dimensions, so in theory it should, but we'll see about that. This has like a nice soft protective design, which is nice because then the stove will be protected from dents and being tossed around as it's being taken in and out of my truck and everything. So opens up. In there. Top. Yeah, so she fits nicely in there. So yeah, awesome. And then on the back it has some storage for your propane tanks, I would assume. Yeah, so nice. So then you can fit 2 propane tanks on the back of this, so you don't have to go around carrying them all back and forth from your vehicle to your campsite. So that's really, really great. I really like that. So thanks for tuning into this video today. I hope that you either got inspired to buy yourself a new camp stove, or if you're looking to get this one, I hope this may have given you some insight. Thank you so much to our friend that bought this for our wedding, because honestly this was one of the biggest gifts that we were hoping for, because it's just been really, really inconvenient only having just a backpacking stove in our camping setup so far, or having to use the campfires which always is incredibly time consuming when you're really tired at the end of the day. So like this is just gonna make our camping lives like so much easier. So thank you so much for getting us this gift. I can't wait to take this out the next time we go camping together. And I'm definitely planning on using this for my Moose Munchies segments to try to show people how to make easy camp food at home. So stay tuned for some of those videos. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. So thanks, have a great one.